What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently Snowflake IPO has been one of the hot topics, especially after the company announced that Warren Buffett and Salesforce also invest in this company. So today I want to talk about this new IPO stock. So something about the industry and the company, and also my thoughts whether it's worth investment. So if you're also interested in Snowflake IPO, please keep watching. So Snowflake was founded in 2012 and it was a data company focused on that data management, storage and processing. Although the company doesn't have a long history, now it already have more than 3,000 B2B clients, including some very hot companies that benefit from this coronavirus, including Square, Instacart, and DoorDash. So Snowflake helped this company manage and computing this data and allow these companies to have a dynamic data processing in order to make better business decisions. According to their SI filing, so their revenue has been grown from year to year more than 100%. Although currently they still hasn't make profit yet and they have a net loss for now. But their net loss this year comparing with last year has been decreased for more than 50%. Moreover, their profit margin has grown from 40% to 60%, so we can see that this type of business is very profitable. So the company cloud computing business is in the B2B categories. And currently in these categories, there's also Amazon's AWS, Microsoft Azure, and also Google Cloud in this area. So Warren Buffett previously mentioned that he probably never invested in IPOs because there's limited financial data and he could not have a good understanding about the company's growth. So because of that, he would not invest in these type of newly listed companies. But this time, Warren Buffett has invested more than $500 million in Snowflake, especially when the company hasn't made profit yet. Because we know that Warren Buffett said one of the major indicators he saw a company is ROE, return on equity. So if the company hasn't made any money, he could not look at these indicators. So that brings me to dig into the reason why he made this investment this time. Is that because that he already missed so many opportunities like from Amazon, so this time he don't want to miss it again? I think there are several reasons. First, it's a B2B business. Comparing with B2C business, B2B business are more stable. Especially Snowflake's customers are mid to large size enterprise, and those enterprises are not very sensitive to their price. As long as they provide good service, they are okay even they charge a premium as a service. And also for B2B business, the switch cost is very high. If you put all your data into one platform, it's very difficult for you to change to another one. It's unlike to some B2C business where customer switch cost is very low. It's like today I maybe shop at Whole Foods and tomorrow I can shop at Trader Joe. Or if today I buy something on Amazon, tomorrow I can buy something on Walmart. It's just very easy to switch from one company to another without any cost. So I think because of this, Warren Buffett think that they have signed a contract with those companies because their clients are unlikely to switch to other vendors as long as they provide good service. So the companies can generate stable revenues and later on stable free cash flows. So that's what Warren Buffett are looking for. The second bull opinion is that this company is in the cloud computing era, as this is one of the very trendy / hot industries right now, as Amazon's AWS is booming, and every time when AWS have a good news, it's bring Amazon stocks to increase even more. And also in Microsoft's transformation, it's also due to its cloud computing business, as its other software business has been declining. That all shows that cloud computing is in the growth phase, and it would probably bring tons of returns to its investors. The third bull opinion is that I think this industry has a very high growth potential since, in my opinion, in the future, data processing and cloud computing will become a utility that is needed by everyone. Especially nowadays, a lot of companies using AI to optimize their user experience by suggesting the content that users might like. Like if you are using TikTok, they are recommending the content based on your past history by using the AI algorithm. So in that case, in order to producing huge amount of data from time to time, they would need the powerful cloud computing abilities. And if companies don't want to spend too much resources by developing their own, one of the best way is probably use a third-party vendor. And the Snowflake can be one of their choices among others like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. So the initial IPO price on their SI filing is between $75 to $85. But today I saw the news that they increased the IPO price to $100 to $110. Maybe because too many investors, they want to buy the stocks. So I definitely want to buy this stock. As you guys know that I'm a big fan of Warren Buffett, and I always try to learn from his strategies and try to copy his portfolios. But if the stock price is too high, maybe I will wait for a little bit, because my previous experience in IPO is not so good. So every time I bought some stocks in IPO, like what I did for Zoom or what I did for RVLV, which is a fashion brand, after that the price dropped significantly. So it becomes an opportunity cost that I could invest in some other stock. And then when the IPO enthusiasm fade away and the price drop, maybe it's a better price to get in. So I'm not sure how the price is gonna be blow up on the IPO day and whether I'm lucky enough to buy one share. But I will watch the stock, and definitely I wanna buy the stocks at the appropriate price. So that's all about Snowflake stocks after reading their S1 filing. Hope that provides some information to you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.